Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord voice chat lagging issues, so just follow my steps. But before this, make sure to subscribe my channel, like my video and share this video with your friends so they can fix Discord too. So first, go in your Windows Microsoft Store. And search Touch VPN. Just give it a sec. Here it is. Simply install it and launch it. And then choose Singapore here and click connect. After this, go to your Discord and change your server region to Singapore, and then restart your Discord and it will be done. That's the tutorial. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure to like and subscribe and press the notification bell. See you guys in the next video. Fin.